I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your statement on the PNC app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the PNC app. Launch the PNC mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your login details, use the Forgot Password option. Step 3. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of all your accounts. Step 4. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the statement. This could be your checking or savings account. Step 5. View Statement. Look for the Statements option, usually located in the Account Details section. Tap on it to view your recent statements. Remember, if you don't see the Statements option, it might be due to your account type. Some accounts have limited access to statement features. I hope this helps you easily check your statement on the PNC app. Happy banking!